Hi friends, very good morning. This is Mr. Yogesh. My friend's son. His name is Dr. Senthil Kumar. I think principal of Dharmambal Government Polytechnic at Nagapattinam. He has completed his MBA degree as well as he has got a job. He has come to my house, give the sweet. On this occasion, I wish him all the best, and best of luck. Similar simultaneously, I would like to tell in this occasion that, as you know, I'm a YouTuber regarding Madhikatam. In addition to that, I'm doing some social services also. Secondly, I'm motivated to upgrade the younger generation. My group's name is Sarojini Illa Motivation Group. He is also one of the members. So, in that capacity, as a motivator, and also his friends, his father's friend, he has come to give me the sweet. I wish him all the best. Simultaneously, in this occasion, I would like to tell the thanks to his father, Dr. Senthil Kumar, Principal of Government Polytechnic at Nagapattinam. Wish you all the best, dear Yogesh. I wish you become a greatest man. Your father is Dr. Senthil Kumar. You must become more than his level. Okay, wish you best of luck. Thank you so much.